So I recently got a wax warmer waxing kit. I'm really excited about it because you don't need to use the cloth strips with this kind of wax. So we're just gonna open it. It seemed pretty affordable because you get, I'm not entirely sure what these are for. You get little trays probably to put these in, hold them in there. Anyway, I don't remember how many of these you get, probably like 30 or something. It looks like 20 or 30. I'm sure it says in the product description, but a whole bunch, so you don't need to reuse them. Obviously your instructions, and then get different kinds of wax. They pull the lid off here. There's more inside, so there's 4 different colors of wax. From what I can tell, I don't think they're any different. I think it's just colors, or maybe they're scented. I'm not entirely sure yet. But you get like pink, white, or cream, purple, and green. Anyway, so you get all of those. And then you get this wax warmer, which is surprisingly lightweight, so that's nice, so it won't be hard to move around. I'm just going to unpack all of this. This is kind of nice. It's actually got a handle, so it makes it really easy to put in and take out, versus if you have to like grab it. So that's what it looks like. And then you have a bunch of these rings, which I'm not entirely sure what that is, unless it looks like maybe you could put it around the top so that it doesn't get wax in there. So it's really thoughtful, that be easy to clean. You could do something like that. Sorry, you can see it, something like that, and then you don't accidentally drip with wax into this. Anyway, so I am going to get it started. You can see it has the different temperatures. I want to say it has an auto shut off if it gets to a certain heat. But we're going to try this, and I'm going to show you how we use this wax too, just to see how it works. So this is, what is it? This is hard wax, and the soft wax is the one where you need the cloth strips. So we're going to try hard wax, and hopefully it's awesome. So we'll check back in a minute. Okay, so I put the beads in there. I don't have it on yet, but you can see I just poured them in there. This is kind of what, oops, sorry, the beads look like. Just hard, almost feels like plastic. Obviously it's not, it's wax. Anyway, but I have them in there and I plugged it in. So now we're going to go ahead and turn this on. You can see I just turned it all the way to 240 just to get it going. You can adjust to whatever temperature you see fit, or depending on the wax. Usually the wax will say what temperature you should have. And as we're doing that, you'll want to have one of your spatulas, or I call them tongue depressors, out, and just be mixing this so that you can help it melt more evenly. And I want to say, this one says it'll be between 7 and 20 minutes to melt completely, depending on how much wax you have. So if you did like 50 grams or half one of the bags that comes with this, it should be like 7 to 13 minutes, or 13 to 20 if you do the whole bag. So I won't keep you on here the whole time. We're just gonna let it melt, and then we will try it out. So again, you can kind of see what it looks like now, and we'll check back when it's melted. So our wax is warmed up. That last one was about 15 minutes. I just time-lapsed it so you could kind of see the melting process. And then I just tried some on my finger, and it didn't hurt. Hopefully it won't hurt too much on my legs. But it's actually nice, just kind of pulled off my finger then. But we're going to try to spread this now on my leg, see how it goes. So it already doesn't feel as bad as like the soft wax. Anyway, so I have a strip on there. And then I want to say you just have to leave it until it's cold or like completely hard, which it actually feels like it's already there, so it cools down pretty fast. Then you just have to grab at the bottom and pull up, and that like barely hurt at all compared to the soft wax. It seemed like it really got in there more. And while it did miss a few hairs, it doesn't seem like it misses nearly as many as the soft wax. You can see it obviously pulled off some of my skin there because it's a different color, but it was not very painful. I mean, similar to like plucking your eyebrows or something. Actually, probably less painful than that. So that's what I've been doing while this is heating up. So overall, really awesome. This is what it looks like when you pull it off. I don't think you can see, but I can see hairs in there. So really cool, really impressed with the hard wax. This is definitely the way to go. And I would definitely buy this again because it is a lot easier than the other method.